Hi everyone! Today we are going to make a traditional Chinese dish, Spicy Marinated Dried Tofu. It is fragrant and chewy and makes a great snack, but is also great as a meal. For this recipe, there is no deep frying involved, so you'll see how easy it is to make. Now let's get started. Preheat the oven to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. First, cut the extra firm tofu. I use Fountain of Health organic tofu, extra firm, from Costco. Slice it into 11 pieces, about 1 centimeter thick. Then cut them into 3 pieces per slice. Lightly grease a baking pan and arrange the prepared tofu in a single layer. Bake for about 50 to 60 minutes, or until the surface is dry and hard. Flip them after 30 minutes. Place about 1 cup of vegetable broth or stock, made from either chicken or pork bone, in a small pot, then add the baked tofu. Bring it to a boil and cover it and let it simmer for 15 minutes. Set it aside. We will also need these ingredients. Add 1 tablespoon of oil in a frying pan. And 2 tablespoons of chili bean paste. Then stir fry until it's fragrant. Add half a teaspoon of cumin powder. Half a teaspoon of black pepper, and 2 to 4 teaspoons of chili powder, then mix well. Place the tofu and the sauce in the frying pan and stir them together. Add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, stirring until all the sauce is absorbed. Finally, garnish with some sesame seeds. And you're done! Enjoy your spicy flavored tofu! Please like the video if you enjoyed the recipe, and subscribe for more traditional Asian recipes. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comment section.